How do I check the balance of my Visa Metabank debit card?
Hello there. Today, we're going to learn how to check the balance of your Visa Metabank debit card. Whether you're planning to make a purchase or simply want to keep track of your finances, it's always a good idea to keep an eye on your card balance.
What you'll need.
To check the balance of your Visa Metabank debit card, you're going to need the following: your Visa Metabank debit card, your associated card account number, your PIN, personal identification number. Remember to keep your card and these details secure to avoid any potential misuse.
Checking the balance online.
The most convenient method of checking your card balance is through the Metabank's online portal. 1. Visit the Metabank website. 2. Navigate to the Login section. 3. Enter your username and password. 4. Once you're logged in, look for the section related to Card Management or Account Overview. 5. Here, you should be able to find the balance of your Visa Metabank debit card. Remember to log out once you have finished, especially if you're using a public computer.
Checking balance via phone.
Alternatively, you can check your card balance over the phone. 1. Find the customer service number on the back of your card. 2. Dial this number and follow the automated prompts. 3. You will likely be asked to enter your card account number and PIN. 4. Once entered, the automated service should provide your current balance.
Checking balance via ATM.
Lastly, you can check your card balance at an ATM. 1. Find an ATM that accepts Visa cards. 2. Insert your card and enter your PIN. 3. Select the option to view your account balance. Please note, some ATMs might charge a small fee for this service. And that's how you check the balance of your Visa Metabank debit card. By using the online portal, phone, or an ATM, you can easily keep track of your finances. Remember to always keep your card details secure and confidential. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thank you for watching.